Can you trust AI search to give you accurate information on breaking events? Case in point, the assassination of Charlie Kirk. I actually was at a customer's site working on their systems on September 11th, a day actually about 28 hours, almost 28 hours after Charlie Kirk's assassination. And the customer mentioned that not only was there a $100,000 reward from the FBI, but that Marcus Lemonis had issued a reward. And sometimes when there's breaking news, the reports aren't accurate. So I went to Google and I did a Google search. And my Google search was actually on, all I did was typed Marcus Lemonis, Charlie Kirk. And here's what I got. I'm going to switch over to a full screen so that you can see this. Recent viral posts have falsely claimed that conservative activist Charlie Kirk was assassinated, and that investor and television personality Marcus Lemonis reacted to this news. This is a hoax that originated from social media posts and is not supported by any credible news reports. The hoax explained the assassination claim. The false rumors of Charlie Kirk's death emerged on social media platforms in early September 2025. Some of the posts included altered or fabricated videos claiming to show the incident at Utah Valley University. There has been no confirmation of Kirk's death from any reputable news source, and he remains alive on his own social media accounts. Lemonis' fabricated response in the wake of the fabricated news. Other social media posts falsely attributed a response to Marcus Lemonis, CEO of Camping World. One post from a parody account used Lemonis' name to announce a posthumous Presidential Medal of Freedom for Kirk, further fueling the false narrative. And then they actually go on to tell us how we can actually spot and identify fake news, that we want to check credible sources. By this time, by the way, all major media, although some of them were actually blaming Kirk for his own assassination, all major media had acknowledged that Charlie Kirk had died. In fact, they had done so the day before. Examine social media accounts. The posts spreading these claims often originate from anonymous or satirical accounts rather than official or verified sources. And then it says that we should look for inconsistencies. And I actually went as well to ChatGPT, and I did the same search on ChatGPT. ChatGPT correctly reported that Charlie Kirk had been assassinated. I also went to DeepSeek, and DeepSeek shared the same flaws that Google had, that Charlie Kirk was alive and well, and that this was a hoax. I then went to Claude AI, and Claude actually correctly identified that Charlie Kirk was assassinated. Really, what we're seeing here is that AI is really going to need to improve. They're going to need to improve the updating of their databases. And in particular, if Google is going to be relying upon their own AI agent to report and actually report on breaking news events, they're going to have to update that database much more often. This is something that is critical. And one of the things that we did see with this event, as we saw also with the assassination attempt of President Trump last year in Butler, Pennsylvania, you actually see reliable news coming from social media much quicker than traditional news outlets can deliver. And in this case, also much quicker than AI can deliver as well. And of course, we saw fake news coming from Google claiming that the reports of Charlie Kirk's assassination were actually fake news. So next time there's a breaking event and you do a Google search, think twice before you accept the words of Google AI. They are quite often presenting fake news. If you have any questions that you would like us to cover in a future video, drop those in the comment section below.